Okay, hello dear friends. I am going to make some farm cheese. So the first thing, I will make yogurt. So boil the milk. And put in some whipping cream. Making yogurt or making cheese is an honest job. The more fat you put in, the more delicious it is. So bring it to a boil. Because this one, I am going to make a plain yogurt. So I do not put any sugar or vanilla. Plain whole milk, your choice to put some cream or not. Bring it to a boil. It will take around 5 minutes. Okay. Now our yogurt is made, and it's plain yogurt and very good. See, does not come out. And what we need to do, we need to drain it. So I use my family easy method. You use cheesecloth and a big container, something. Okay, that's about it. You cannot put too much down because there will be water coming out. Then you take the yogurt out. I need to choose a good spoon. So I have one bowl of yogurt like this also. So see, the yogurt is so good. Put in. See, there are some water in this yogurt. It's just natural. And we are trying to get rid of this water. We want to make the yogurt very much condensed, concentrate, so that we can make it hard. Hard cheese, there is nothing fancy of hard cheese. It's just getting rid of the water. You can make your hard cheese, although it's industrial making or something, it sounds a little bit complicated. But the theory or the reasoning behind making this yogurt is the same. You drain the water from the yogurt. Let me see if I can still put some more. I think this is enough. You can see the bottom. If I put more water, this yogurt will be swimming in this. Okay, put it here. So if I put more yogurt, later on, the drained yogurt will be just swimming on its own liquid. It will not be good. So this will be enough. I need another bottle if I want to make this yogurt. I will do that. Our milk is boiling. Okay, I stop it. It's not boiled. And let it cool down. You can put cold water, bain-marie, like in the bath of cold water is good, or just let it cool down by itself. Today I do not have anything special to let it cool down, so it will just cool down by itself. It takes half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours to cool it down, but we are not in a rush. Let it cool down by itself. So we put yogurt into this big pot, into this big container, and cover it up. Oh, a little bit too much. Go down. cover it, put into refrigerator. It can stay up to 1 week or 2 weeks, but we will watch about the water, and sometimes we need to change water. Not change water, we need to take it out of the water so that it can drain itself a little bit further. So it will start to drain itself. I'm putting a little bit too much of. Okay, hello dear friends. Now the milk is cooled down, so I need to put in the starter. Here is the starter. Take out directly from the refrigerator. I put my starter with a rubber band so it differentiates from the other yogurt that I'm about to drink. The one with a rubber band is the starter, is the first generation yogurt. I do not like this foam, so you can hear there is a big noise there is a big noise here because I'm boiling water to keep my milk warm, hot. Almost perfect. Cover it out. Sorry. Then put in hot water. You can take a look here. Hot water. Okay, close it up. 6 hours later, it will be good. See you later. Okay, hello dear friends. The next morning, about the water is cooling down, and about 6 or 10 hours later, you can see the yogurt is made. And this time the yogurt does not taste good and is not settled. I need to put into refrigerator for 6 hours or even longer. put into refrigerator and it will be settled down. Okay, hello dear friends, this is the next morning. So here is our yogurt, and we are draining it, but because I put too much of yogurt in it, so the water coming out of yogurt and the yogurt is even combined together. So what I need to do is to separate it. An easy thing to do is to take out the yogurt, you can see, and change into a different pot. I'm sorry for the noise. I can take this one out. Just take all this out. And this water you can, I think it will equally come out, the same amount of water, very possibly. Put into the same thing. And keep on draining. It does not look that pretty, but that's how it works. Cover it up. So we will keep on draining, and this is one night's work. We will see how it comes out tomorrow. Okay, so the whole process will take some time, a couple of days, more than a couple of days, 4 or 5 days. So 1 day yogurt, including making yogurt and settling the yogurt. 1 day of first step, or first phase of draining. Now we are on the second phase of draining. Maybe we will do the third phase of draining. Anyway, this is roughly the process. And see you tomorrow. Okay, hello dear friends. This is 1 day later. So I got this much of water, and also I drained it. Still so much water, and it gets very much dried, but still you can keep on drying and drain the water. The more you drain the water, the better the cheese will come. See, it becomes so much smoother. Yeah, it's not very much like mashed potato, because it's a little bit more fat. Can you see? Yeah. Can you see it? And you can drink the whey. I think it's called whey. The whey, you can drink it or you can cook it. When you cook it, it's fermented. It's already fermented. So it's like cooking sauerkraut. Schukrut is like the soured vegetable, soured cabbage. And you can boil it together with meat, with cabbage, and it's very delicious. I have tried. Or you can just drink straight as it is. It's good for your digestion. In summertime, drinking a little bit of this cool stuff is really very, very enjoyable. Anyway, this is how we make cheese. Homemade cheese or homemade drained yogurt until it becomes very firm. Thank you very much. Okay, hello dear friends. This one is a few days later, I think 2 or 3 days later. The fromage, the yogurt is becoming so dried up, and I think I will change another piece of cloth. Make it double layer if I can. See if I can do it. It's a little bit small, but let's see. Change into Not easy. Take it out. Now I take it out. And the bottom is not yet that dry. You see so much water coming out. And this seems not enough. Be too small. We make it single layer. It's all in the experiment. And tighten it up and keep on pressing. More water coming up. Change into a small container. It's becoming very, very, very much dried up. Like this. This one is already almost like cream cheese, like what we bought in the supermarket or shop, those cream cheese, and there will be not much water coming out of it further on. Why do I do it? I do not know. So it's a way of keeping it. It's a little bit like burrata, I feel. Burrata. So more water coming out. And this is it. Let me try. Just one spoonful of it. It is very rich. Sorry. And you can do it like toast. You toast some bread and put this one, put any of the spice you like, salt, pepper, or chive, or olive oil, whatever you like. Just perfect. This is so rich. Enjoy. So this is the whole process of making homemade farm cheese from farmer cheese or country cheese or whatever from milk. Enjoy. Hello dear friends. Now I spoon out the cheese or farm cheese or drained yogurt. So drained, it's no longer yogurt. It's no longer Greek yogurt. And take it out and put on top of bread, so we can take a look at the texture of it. Use macro. Here is our macro lens. Look at it. Whoa. So good. Do not hit my camera lens. This is the texture of the cheese, so smooth and so juicy. Okay, it's almost unreal, right? So I take out the macro lens and we see the real cheese. It's very, very delicious. Enjoy. Very, very delicious.